This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to export or save a plot in R. You definitely want to check out the tutorial titled How to Graph Simple Plots and Make Scatter Plots in R if you haven't seen that already. We're going to try something new here. I'm going to type $plot into the console, hit enter, and then use a technique described in the tutorial titled How to Use a Function and Read the Help Files in R. Anthony's going for the big time here. All right, scroll down to the bottom of the help file where there's the examples. Highlight it, hit Control-C, go back to R and hit Control-V, and it printed this plot to the screen as an example. Remember, every help file has some examples for you to run to test things out. They should always work cleanly without any modification. When R creates a graphical plot, by default, it opens up a new window or device to display the output. That's this here. Now I'm going to close this window and redirect the output to a file, an external file, using this JPEG function. Instead of outputting the plot to the screen, it's going to print the file to my hard drive, a file location that I've specified here. Think of this JPEG function like a construction worker with a detour sign waving you down a different path. Your plot gets diverted to this file instead of being printed to the screen. So once the JPEG function runs and the plot functions all run, it creates the plot and then you turn the device off, and now you can look in the output directory and there's a plot saved as a JPEG. You can do the same thing with a PNG file type. Look, there's the PNG. Or even, hey, how about a PDF? Now, there's all three file types saved as the plots. Now, as long as you turn the device off at the end, you can plot more, and it's going to print stuff to the screen again. Now, if you have Windows and it's absolutely critical to see your plot while you're still in R before you export the file, you can use the Save Capital Plot function, like this. First set my working directory, then construct the actual plot that I want to save somewhere, and now run the save plot with the file name where I want it to be saved, and the type. If you have questions about the save plot function, type $save plot into your console. But there's the plot as a BMP file type as well. This has been a work of R.